In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metafields to products and variants in Shopify. Metafields let you store extra, structured information on your products and their variants, things like feature highlights, care instructions, or compatibility notes, so you can display richer content on your storefront. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Metafields and Meta-Objects. This is where Shopify centralizes custom data so you can define exactly what kind of information you want to capture. First, we'll create a product-level metafield. Choose Products. Then select Add Definition to make a new field. Give it a clear, human-friendly name. Type Highlight. Names like this help your team recognize what the field is for when they're editing products later. Next, choose the data type. Click Select Type, then pick Multi-Line Text. Multi-line text is perfect for short bulleted blurbs or sentences that describe key selling points because it supports line breaks and a bit more length than a single-line field. If you see an option to select categories, open it and choose Services. Categories help you organize definitions for reference and reporting. Selecting one won't change how the data displays, but it can make administration cleaner. Click Done to confirm your category choice. Use the search bar to quickly find the new definition. Search for Highlight and click it to open and review. If a prompt appears or you're not ready to keep any trial changes, click Discard to back out safely. Then click Highlight again just to confirm everything looks right and the definition exists as intended. Now let's mirror that setup for variants, so each size or color can have its own highlight if needed. Go back to the Metafields and Meta-Objects area and select Variants. Choose Add Definition. Again, type Highlight for the name to keep things consistent across products and variants. Click. Select Type and choose Multi-Line Text just like before. Use the search bar if you need to quickly locate the definition after creating it. That's the full configuration. You've created a product metafield and a variant metafield, both called Highlight and both set to multi-line text. From here, your team can populate these fields on product and variant pages, and your theme can reference them to display richer content to shoppers. Keeping the naming consistent across products and variants will make templates easier to manage and your workflow more predictable.